Hi guys, it's Maria from Sweden here, aka Planner Mother of 3. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am going to show you my health planner that I am planning to use for 2024. As some of you might know, is that I have during the 2023 had a quite a significant project when it comes to be healthier, to do healthier lifestyle choices, and that has given me a weight loss of 16 kilos, yay, this year. And the reason is that we got the best news in December a year ago, that we were going to be grandparents, and I really wanted to make sure that my health would be as good as it could be when our granddaughter arrived, and she did that on the 31st of July. Anyway, the health planner that I've used during this year has been in a traveler's notebook, and here I log my weight. I have a lot of different journaling. Sometimes I write down what we eat. I have a tracker when it comes to the blue zones factors. I'm not sure if you are familiar with that, but they made a lot of research in different places on Earth where people get very old, and they have found some factors that are the same for these areas, and I log my life according to that. And I can talk to you about that in another video. And here we can see from July to October how well I did for that. And the thing that I'm not doing every month, I'm not doing that except for some day a month, is the periodic fasting. And that's one of the things that I really would like to get to be able to do that again. I did that before, but I've really lost it this time. Anyway, so I've been into this one, and I really like how I've been using it. I have pictures of myself just to remind myself about my journey, and I have here I write down how much I've lost for every week and so forth. Anyway, this one has sometimes been together with my A-note, where we have the weekly overview, where I write what I eat, how full I feel, because that's one of the things, you're not supposed to eat when you're not hungry, and you're not supposed to eat that much that you feel really filled or full. I've liked it, but I missed the weekly size. The weeks. I am used to the Hobonichi weeks until last year, when Papertess Design made her weekly notebook. I bought that one. I'll show you. I bought that one, of course, and I've used it for my everyday carry, and sometimes just to memory keep some things, references, and so forth. And this time I tried out a new layout, and I really came to like it. And I was doing this because I really wanted to make sure, I just have to make sure that you see what I'm showing. Yes, you do. I want to make sure that this spread would work as I wanted to. I love trackers. Trackers are the things for me when it comes to get an overview, and I am very much an overview person. So I looked at this spread, and I thought that, okay, how can I in the best way use this spread? I've been playing around, but now I think I found a very nice way of using this spread. And I will walk you through in the new one, the 2024, how I'm thinking about using it. But I just wanted to talk to you a little bit how I think I will start to use the spreads. Then I'm quite sure that I might end up, doing some new things as we go along. So what I've done, the spread looks like this when it's not used. You have a place here with some grids. You have your month here with a special circled week, and that's the week you are in. You have some space here where you can do some titles if you want to. And then you have one space for every day here as well as here, but here they come with grids. If you see, you can see here. And then you have the overview of the whole week. You have numbers from 7 to 10, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. can be that, or you can use this in another way. And I've decided to use this in another way. And then we have 4 different possibilities to do lists or to do some other things. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, oh, well, they are obviously the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so here you have 8 of them, and here you have 7 of them. And then you have a place here. So I was looking at this and I said to myself, what if I could put everything or nearly everything that I need to be on track when it comes to my health? And what if I could be better on logging every day how I feel when it comes to different things, both physically and mentally? So I put down the different trackers and I'll talk to you about these in another video. I think they really need another, a title of their own. But I put down different things that I want to track on a piece of paper, and then you don't need to know how I did this, but what I did was actually that I put it on a paper, and then I transferred it to washi tape paper. And the washi tape paper that I use, I got the tip from Creativity by Marie, and she said that she had bought printable washi paper at Craftelier, and these come in 10. I don't remember the price, but they're not that pricey. But the best thing is that the sticker is so thin. It's really washi thin. So I put all of the different things that I think are important for me to log, and I put them after that on the washi paper, and then I can put and do some titling here. So I have one that says gratitude. I have another one that says check-in. And so the gratitude and then the check-in. And then I have different trackers here. Healthy food, no alcohol, no snacks, no sugar, drinking water. Flaxseed is something I need to eat every day. And I will have to think about the portion sizes. And so I use the monthly, the small monthly overview here. And I made, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And I've decided to use also that. Or you can leave it out and then you have a title, if you start your tracking here. So you have Monday to Sunday there. And then, sorry. And then I am tracking my sleep, my stress, and my mood. And I think that's also a very good overview of what I want to track. And then I track the highs of the week and the lows of the week. and what I'm eating for lunch and what I'm eating for dinner. And then we have a new tracker here where it comes to good things to do for me to stay healthy and happy, and as well as some activities that I really would like to focus on for next year. Meditation, yoga, stretch, walk, working out, and periodic fasting. So yeah, I think this spread can really fill the need that I need. But I want to show you my new Papertess Design Planner. I haven't started yet. I am on vacation as for today, and I've been very stressed, so I haven't really had the creativity and the lust to sit here, but I'll for sure will do that when I have the time. You know, we have hectic days now before Christmas Eve. We celebrate Christmas on the 24th here in Sweden, but and we will have all of the families here. As we have sold our apartment, guys. I don't know if I told you about that. Yes, we have. So we don't have any place to stay in the 1st of March. We're gonna give away the keys on the last day of February, the 29th. And that's kind of both scary but very exciting too. And I'll talk to you about that in another video. Anyway, so let's go through the new one. Here is my lovely cover from Giglio Firenze. And it's an appunto with natural leather with a really nice, cute baby pink inside. In here we have my new platinum, and I don't remember, the custom 74 platinum pen that I also like very much. Or I'll put this aside. Anyway, so I've been really, you know, trying to find out the best way to use this new Papertess Design Planner. I think I found the best way, and I will probably change it a little bit through the year. But here I have reused one of my vision. As I said, I really like to see the big picture, an overview of everything, but I'm also very much into pictures, and they talk to me much more than words. So here we have two pictures that I found on Pinterest, or Pexels maybe, that will show me, you know, what my focus will be. Eat healthy and find the moments of really silence and just to, you know, be grounded. That's a little bit of a challenge for me, guys, because I live a quite hectic life. I own my own business. I have to do a lot of things to, you know, be successful, but I can't do that if I'm not taking care of myself. So that's a very important vision for me. Anyway, so the weekly notebook comes with the first page that says this notebook belongs to, and here I will write my name, of course, and I will do some decorations. I will probably do a lot of, or not a lot of, but I will do some decorating in this one. But primarily I will use my small washi titles to build this up. Let's see, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with this, but I will for sure make sure that I am using this spread in the best way. I haven't counted, but I will do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. If I want to, I can have an overview of my weight loss week for week. If I do 3 columns here, maybe, not sure yet. Here you have a perfect place to, you know, highlight days in the month where you, for instance, are score high on your Apple Watch, or if you lose weight, or if you have social time, if I'm having, you know, time with my granddaughter, whatever. So, and you can circle the dates, or you can put your zig dots or whatever. But we'll see. We'll work that out. Anyway, the first spread that comes in the Papertess Design Weekly notebook is a spread where we have the 4 months of the year. So you have 3 of these spreads, and here I am. I'm doing my monthly reflection on this part, and here I will log my steps and the workout that I'm going to do, because I really want to add more physical activities this year. These first 10 months of my weight loss has all been, you know, being focused of eating less and doing healthier choices. But now I want to add more of activities, because there has been nearly none the last months. This autumn has been awful when it comes to my moving, my steps. So here we have. And I'm thinking that I start with January, as I have said here, and I will log my January. Or if I take a photocopy or copy this, and I'll, you know, just try it out before I can write it on a separate paper and see how it will look like. I might do that just to make sure that I will like the overview, how I use this part, for instance. Yeah, and then we have, after the 3 spreads, we have the monthlies, and here I am thinking of doing symptoms, the physical symptoms, because I have some ache, I have some problems with my hands, and there are some other parts of my body that sometimes remind me that I'm 58, turning 59 next year, and I really want to see if there is a, you know, a logic thing. If, you know, for instance, I haven't having my water for a week as I want to, does that affect the symptoms? Or if I eat too much sugar, or some other things. And I think it's a good place to just write it down very easily, the symptoms, because also when you get you know, the questions when you meet your doctor, I never ever remember anything of how I felt. I will always answer, yeah, I'm feeling good. But as a matter of fact, sometimes I don't. So I want to write that down, and I want to log the weight, and either I will write it here. So I have all of the days of the month here, and I write it, you know, as I've done in this one, because here I've logged the weight vertically. Or if I want to, I can also write the weight here on the first line of every day. So I'll also, I haven't decided yet, but I'll see how that will work. And all the months are coming one after the other, and that's also good, I think, because then it's easy to see the flow, the you know, as I always talk about, the big picture. So it's easy to get them here. I had the I don't remember the name of the Papertess Design in the B5 size, where you have the Bojo style theme, where you have your month and then the weeks and then some other note pages, and then another month come and the weeks and so forth. And that's not there. I do work with that when it comes to my Bojo, when I did the Bojo, but the bullet journaling method, when you did it by yourself in your Leuchtturm, but I never liked it when it's pre-printed. So that's so I like it how this looks like anyway. And then we come to the weeklies. And the weekly will for sure be, as I told you before, with the same thing. I will use my different trackers, and I'll start with these, because these I know, I feel, if I'm following this and putting this into my life, I know that I will feel so much better. So yeah, So that will be here, and then I will have my check-in and my gratitude. I will log my sorry, I'll do it like this. I will log my my sleep and my mood and my stress levels, my high and my lows, and my food, the lunch and the dinner. And here you can also log it afterwards, but also plan it forward. And I'm planning on planning forward. And I think now, as we are moving to 2 different places. I'll tell you about it. We have during this year lost both Magnus's parents. Unfortunately, they were very old, over 90, both of them, and they were quite, they suffered by dementia. So I think we've already said goodbye to them a couple of years ago. But they left this life physically during this year. And exactly 6 months between the 2 deaths, and that's kind of interesting, I think. First it was Magnus' father, and then after that it was his mother. And his father died in March, and his mother died in September. And the spooky thing is that both of them died in the middle of my memory keeping insert, you know, the middle page. Yeah, you who are in the Traveler Notebooks company knows what I mean. So the spread that is in the middle, like, I'll show you if it would have been in this one where I do my memory keeping. So this spread in my memory keeping insert for the first half of 2023. Here was the spread where I wrote about his death. And then the next insert, number 2 of the year, the middle spread was about my mother-in-law's death. Anyway, they left their house for us to use, and that was their wish, that we were going to take care of it and, you know, do it as our house. It's quite a big house, and it's in the south of Sweden, on the west coast, but in the south, very close to the sea, where we have a long, very beautiful beach. Very different from the place that we have here just outside our city. You might see something from that place. So right now we own 2 different houses. One small one that is close to the city where we can go. It takes only an hour, where we can go whenever we want to. And then we have this large house in the south of Sweden that we have started a renovation project right now. And 3 weeks ago, we got an email from a broker, a real estate broker, that said that I might have a buyer of your apartment. He had seen this, our apartment before, and we said that we're not interested in selling. But he called us or wrote to us and said that I might have a buyer. Are you interested in selling? And we said, yeah, well, everything has a price, you know, quite, because we thought that they will never pay that. So, and he talked to the buyers, and they came and they saw this apartment on Thursday afternoon. And then we got an offer that we couldn't say no to on Friday. And on the Friday evening, we signed the contract. Not having somewhere else to live or to stay. And we said, well, that will, you know, we will for sure find something, but we don't know when. So right now we're going to celebrate Christmas, and after New Year, we are starting to pack. So we're going to pack for our house in Skåne, in the south of Sweden. because all of our furnitures here in this apartment will go there, because that house is big, and our furnitures, they are bought for this special home that we owned for 13 years. And it's a lot of, New England style furnitures, and they will look perfect in this house near the beach. And the new apartment here where we live in Stockholm will probably not be able to host all of these furnitures, and we think that they will not look that good in the new modern apartment. So yeah, that's what we've done. So the first move we're going to do is to move our 50% of this, all of the furniture, but then 50% of everything else down to Skåne. And then we are left here with our bed, with my craft room, my office, as well as my Magnus office. And then we have to find a new place to stay. And we think that we might move into the new place, hopefully before summer. So what we've done is that we rent a studio apartment, a hotel studio apartment, where you can stay, you can work, and you can go for a nice coffee and lounge and so forth. It's a really cool place, and we've started to rent a loft there, so that we have somewhere to stay and sleep when we are in Stockholm. And that's all around the corner from where we live right now, so we will be in the neighborhood. Yeah. Sorry. So quite interesting and exciting times. And in this time, I think the health issue will be quite an issue, or the health project will be an issue, as we are not, going to be able to have the kitchen as we are used to. So that's why I think the planning of my food intake will be very essential. Anyway, so, and then we have the free note pages, the grids, and they are 170, 100 and 200 pages. And here I will journal about my health. I will put articles. I will have a commonplace for my health issues here, or health project here. So I'm thinking articles, doing some vision board for every month, about food, my mental and my physical state, and other things, different information when it comes to this area. And I will have plenty of space to write about that. So yeah, I think, and I am quite excited about this project. And to come back to the weeks, I am very much of a fan of my traveler's notebook, both in the regular size and the passport size. So these will follow me when it comes to my work, my everyday carry, my memory planning, my commonplace book, and so forth, and all of the projects that I have. But this one will be my place where I have my health log, my health project here. Yeah, early in the morning, waiting for my husband to come home with all of the groceries, because now it's high time. That's how we say in Swedish. Now it's time for us to start preparing for our Christmas Eve. Last time in this apartment with my whole family, with all the kids, my grandchildren, my parents, my brother and his family are coming. And then we're going to have a New Year's Eve in this apartment also, gathering our friends that we always had New Year's together. It will be the last time when we're going to be in our apartment. and that will be all fine. We are very happy that we've had these 13 years here, but now we're ready for a new adventure, and I am so looking forward to that, and looking forward to share this with you. I hope you will stay together with me in this journey. Today I'm happy about it. I might have a low day in the future, and I might share that feeling also. Yeah. Okay, guys, what I just also wanted to talk to you about is that I can, if I want to, put this into my traveler's notebook. So if I want to keep the old ones, as I have some different lists and some pictures before and after and on the go in this one, I might, put the planner into this one. So this is an easy way for me to get everything when I am leaving, but I will also for sure take my weekly covers and use when I am at home, because I love all of these different covers that I have. This one is from Gilio's, as I said, but then I have Bojo Planners. Maria, she has beautiful covers. As you know, I am the biggest fan of her company. Of course I will use them also. So many possibilities. Life is good. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will have a nice Christmas if I don't see you before, and that your planning and your setup and your lineup will be satisfying for you. I am coming back about that in the near future. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.